Hello everyone. Life skills play an important role for running our life with peace of mind. And here we have Anamita Roy ma'am who would be sharing the strategy of storytelling and mathematics and how we can engage children and use storytelling for going about life skills. Yes, ma'am.
Now, storytelling, it's a very interesting and attractive method of telling the children. And as soon as you name story, they will be all attracted and they will ask you, what is the story? Now, the storytelling actually it is for introducing the chapter of compound interest that I am going to tell, because suddenly when after simple interest they know about simple interest, and eighth class suddenly they learn about compound interest, and they say, why compound interest? We have simple interest already, why to bother about compound interest? So I have to tell them what is the difference between them, why we are interested in compound interest. In the process, we'll also tell them about the life skills and how they are involved in the story. Now, the life skills that we have studied earlier, now these are already known to us: communication skills, problem solving, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, interpersonal relationship, all these, self awareness, empathy, coping with stress and emotions. These are the things we have studied earlier. We know them very well, but how they are involved in our teaching. Now we are going to start with a story. As soon as I say story, children are very interested. The story about Aruna and Amit. Naming the characters is very important, otherwise they won't identify. This highlights the difference between the simple interest and compound interest. Now the story goes on. Aruna and Amit, they are working in the same office, and they are very good friends, and they want to invest some money. They were planning to invest some money, and they were thinking, should we invest in simple interest or compound interest? They are very much worried. So they plan about it, they think about it. What they do is, now here, when they are planning, they are thinking about it, one life skill is very important: self awareness. Self awareness is that when you have an introspection of your inner self and you try to identify what is that I want, what is my need, that is who am I. This introspection, what happens now? Aruna thought that let me invest some rupees, 2000 rupees at 10% per annum in simple interest. Now we all know, the children also know about the simple interest formula: P into R into T upon 100, and amount is P plus simple interest. Okay, Aruna thought, I let it be simple. I'll get some money, no worry. I'm going to invest. But then comes the, when she decides, this decision making life skill is very important. She took the decision, but did she really take the right decision? Before taking a decision, we must see what are the consequences, and we must also have the knowledge about other options also. That is very important, because no decision is also a decision. You have to rethink also. Now, responsible decision making. Responsible decision making is very important. When you examine, analyze, and then think about the consequences, and that then you take the responsible decision making. Amit did exactly that. He also invested 2000 rupees, 10% per annum for 3 years, and the amount was P1 plus R by 100 to the power T. This is a new formula. The formula can be introduced here very easily to the students. See, the formula for amount is different, and compound interest is A minus P. Here, we calculate the amount first and then the compound interest. There is a difference. So, this way we can introduce the formula also. Here, interpersonal relationship skill is also working. Interpersonal relationship is that when your relationship with your colleagues, friends, relatives, and also close ones, and this is necessary to get their suggestions so that you can take the right decision, so that the outcome is good. So interpersonal relationship is very important here. this skill. Now, after 3 years, what happens? Aruna gets rupees 600 as simple interest, and the amount she gets back is rupees 2,600. She's happy. Okay, I got more. She's really happy. But then we see what Amit got. Amit got rupees 2,662. That means his compound interest is 662. That is more than Aruna. 62 rupees more than Aruna. Then here the life skill of empathy works. Why empathy? Empathy means when you put yourself in another person's shoes. Now here Aruna is thinking, did I make a difference? I should, if I had been in Amit's place, I would have got 662 rupees and I would be happier. At the same time, the empathy life skill is also working for Amit. He is thinking that thank God I did not invest in simple interest, then I would be in Aruna's place. She must be wondering, why did I get less? So this empathy life skill is necessary to analyze and try to understand what went wrong. Now we are analyzing a better scheme is the scheme B, that is compound interest. See, in simple interest, the principal remains same throughout the year, throughout the 3 years, that is 2,000 rupees. Therefore, the amount is also same and we get the simple interest as rupees 600. At the same time, in compound interest, what happens? Previous year's amount becomes the next year's principal. Like the first year, the amount was rupees 2,200. This becomes the principal for the next year. Now the amount is rupees 2,420 and this becomes the amount principal for the third year. And final amount is rupees 2,662. That is why the amount increases. Analysis is important. That is why only decision making is not enough. You have to take the right decision. Then another life skill, that is critical thinking. Critical thinking is not criticizing. It is trying to see what went wrong. What went, Aruna must be thinking, what is wrong with me? What happened that I got less? She's trying to find out the reason, draw conclusions also. Same way, Amit can also help her in critical thinking and they can both come to the same solution. And they may think that compound interest is always more than simple interest for the same principal, rate and time. So we must always invest in compound interest. Now for children also it becomes very clear that why compound interest is always more than simple interest. Now here I've given the link for mentimeter.com that Rashmi ma'am you had given us, and also I'll be giving a Mentimeter quiz online to the teachers there for one question only for the feedback part. So I'm not giving that here. At that time, I'll be giving only one question and that will help me to understand whether the storytelling method was clear to everybody or not. Thank you.